Let's walk through the quick start setup for your new outdoor security camera. To begin, screw the antenna into the rear of the camera until it is hand tight. Now, bend the antenna to a 90-degree angle. Then download the latest version of the Safe by Swann app from the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Next, launch the Safe by Swann app. Now create an account or log in if you already have an account. Make sure to allow notifications so you can receive alerts via the app. Then tap the pair camera icon. Next, select the outdoor camera. Now select Get Started. Next, plug the power adapter into the rear of the camera. Then plug the camera's power adapter into an electrical outlet near a Wi-Fi source. Next, select Continue. Now verify the blue light on the front of the camera is flashing and select Yes if it is flashing or select No if it is not. Then select Go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. Now select the network that begins with Swann. Once it's logged on, go back to the Safe by Swann app. Then enter your network's credentials and verify them by entering them again. Next, select Connect. Your outdoor camera will now connect to the network. Once your camera is connected, it will prompt you to select a name for the camera. You can select a predetermined name or enter your own. Now select Go to My Dashboard. Then tap the Play button to see a live view of your camera. To ensure your camera has the latest firmware, select the drawer icon, then Camera Settings, then Your Camera. Then select the About tab and select Update Firmware. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, it can take from 2 to 15 minutes to complete the update. Once the update is initiated, there's no need to remain on the screen. You will receive a notification once the update is complete. Do not use the camera while the update is being applied. The outdoor security camera is designed to work flawlessly with multiple cameras via the Safe by Swann app. Choose from the indoor security camera, the battery-powered smart security camera, or more outdoor cameras. After you've selected the camera that suits your security needs best, just follow the previous steps to add additional cameras.